For example, we already have a file. I'm going to create a folder with one file in it. Let's create a GitHub repository. We'll go back to our code editor and open the git bash terminal. Type git init to initialize a new Git repository. Git add stages all changes. Git commit saves the stage changes. Git remote at origin. This allows you to push and pull changes between your local and remote repositories. Git pull origin main allow unrelated histories. This is useful when combining to separate projects or repositories. Our local machine now has the files we pulled from the remote. Git push origin main is used to upload your local main branch changes to the remote repository. Our local file has now successfully been pushed to our Git repository.